So now the support you are clear with it, resistance. Now I will show you one more example about demand zone and supply zone. Okay, so look at this. Reliance, this zone where its resistance continuously was coming in for the 3 continuous times. Okay, this is called as supply zone, or we can call it as a resistance zone. That means sellers from higher levels exactly rejecting the price 1, 2, 3 times prices are getting rejected. But now I we will use volume chart and confirm whether this rejection which was coming in, whether it is strong or not. Very simple. Let me draw you a stable point. I believe you everyone remember what is stable point. So this is the stable point of the volume which I have marked here. Look at this. First time when price rejected, second attempt, third attempt. Look at this clearly. If this was the first attempt price made and the low has been formed, now these buyers who have pushed the price higher, look at this, is a daily time frame, and from this point, from almost 1830, price buyers have moved the price up till 2150. That is nothing less than 250 plus points. Okay, 250, not 250, 370 points. If I want to say precisely, 370 points. Reliance upside move, that is not at all a small move. That comes around 20% of this stock has moved towards upside. In a rough figure, 20% in 246 trading session, not at all a small deal. And look at the volumes were clearly rising up. When price moves up, volume rise up means more stronger. And look at this, higher highs, continuous higher high formation along with higher lows. This tells me very clear, if you have remember what about higher highs, higher lows, when price increases, volume increasing with higher highs and higher lows, then it is very strong buying activity. Okay, so the first time price came down and retested the zone of buyers. Look at this, immediately they got rejected, immediate upside move. This is what a kind of V-shaped sharp recovery with a decent volume above the stable point. Okay, so now the first attempt sellers have defended, created a zone of resistance. When price came in second time, they have defended again, and the sellers try to move the price lower. Even this low has not taken out. This was the first attempt from the sellers. Second attempt, try to understand here. The second attempt is being made. Look at the volumes. Most of the volumes are below the stable point, and if these sellers who are pushing the price lower, if they were stronger, they should have broken this low. That is the first attempt of this low, they should have broken it, but it has not taken place with low volume. This tells us the second time where the sellers came in are not so stronger. And look at this, third time price went up, again rejection, still volumes are below the stable point, and still this low has not taken out. Third attempt, again sellers are failing. Once price made a breakout, look at this, price moving and price made a clear breakout. Okay, from this point price was increasing. Look at the volume, drastic increase in volume, but the breakout has been confirmed. But if once the breakout confirmed, don't blindly go and take a buy trade. Look at the upcoming candles auction. Volume drop, straight forward volume drop, and when price was slowly coming down, remember, look at this, complete volume below the stable point with volume drop. So this tells me that the breakout, yes, breakout has taken place, but where is the further up move? Where is the further follow through? No, it is not coming in immediately. Now when price came down, we know that price volumes are below the stable point. The zone which was already acting as a resistance or a supply zone, look at this, when price revisited it, price is getting rejected. So what is happening here? Supply zone is getting converted into demand zone, or I can say resistance is converted to support. Clear? We'll repeat once again, supply zone is getting converted into demand zone, and the resistance which were already rejecting the price now turned into a support. That means support generally means done by buyers, resistance done by sellers. Supply zone will get developed by sellers and demand zone created by buyers. Now look at this closely. Volumes are still low. Price making a rejection slowly. But remember, this was the first attempt where the breakout has taken place. If these buyers who have created this demand zone, if they were stronger, they should have taken out this high. Already as we discussed, this low. Sellers have not taken out, price reverse shooted up. Now, if the buyers had made a second attempt, price has even not managed to cross this high. And now, when price came down, crossed the demand zone. I will repeat once again, crossed the demand zone. Volume started coming above the stable point. Look at this. Volume started matching and coming above the stable point. Always remember, if a supply zone getting converted into a demand zone, the first attempt of the high has to taken out. If it is not taking out and going below the demand zone, then it is a complete, sellers are in control of the auction. Then the upcoming move will be clear down move, and it will be, chances are more to be faster down move. Only thing, look at the volumes when price is coming down. Okay, this is a completely from my experience. And remember, once price crossed clearly the supply zone which was converted into demand zone, this demand zone is not manageable even after rejecting, not crossed the ice. So when price reversing back and crossing the demand zone, this is the point. From this juncture, in any stock, in this case Reliance, don't even plan for a buy trade. Only thing your trade plan should be too short. To look for a sale side trade, look for a downside move. Unless until the failed attempt, this was the attempt made from this buyer, this is the failed attempt I. Okay, this is the first attempt I. This is remember, I am just adding new terminologies here. This is first attempt I, this is the failed attempt I by the buyers. So now when price crossed below this and started trading, from this point, unless until this I, the failed attempt I from the buyers doesn't take out, don't show much interest on towards buying side. Focus more to find selling trade opportunities until the this low. First until this low gets taken out, because this is a failed attempt low by the sellers. Now when price coming down, you need to closely monitor when this low, whether this low is getting taken out or not. If it is taking out, already we know this up move is done by the buyers, so definitely these buyers will come in again. Okay, but this low, the failed attempt low of sellers, has to get cleared so that the buyers can come in again from the lower level, because price can't continuously go down or it can't continuously go up. Okay, price is coming down, so at one point when buyers zone comes into play again, buyers will come in again. Okay, buyers will come in again. This is the logic behind market. Price when going up until it find the last buyers, it will go up, and when price coming down until it find last sellers, it will go down, and then when buyers come in, it will reverse back, and in this case when sellers come in, it will reverse back. The reversal which is coming in, it can be slow or it can be faster. In this case, look at this, when price was coming down, the reversal was immediate. This is a fast reversal. Sometime what will happen, when price is coming down, the reversal will take time, slow reversal. Okay, this is fast reversal always will be in a kind of V shape. Slow reversal will take time. Okay, same way, look at this Nifty. Again I'm using a daily time frame here, but Nifty, from this point price making an higher highs and higher low formation. Okay, this is, look at this, high low, higher low formation, higher high formation, again higher low, higher high formation, and continued higher low, again higher high. Now when price moves up, no further new higher high formation is getting developed and price reversed back. This is higher low, price reversed back for the first time. What I have told during the trend section is, when the trend is continuing towards upside, previous of previous, that is two consecutive low has to taken out, sorry, two consecutive low, that is previous of previous low has to taken out, so that we can say that these buyers strength are getting reduced and sellers are coming in strongly. If you remember, this is what I have told. Okay, now this is the first low, second low. Look at this, I will just mark it down. In this case, the second low has taken out, but look at the volumes. When price was coming down, volume was increasing, and when it approached the second low, volume started decreasing, and next day buyers came in and rejected. Next day buyers came in and pushed the price. Look at this, next day this color candle, look at this green color candle. Beyond color, just look at the candle pattern which I have discussed, shared with you. I will zoom in and show you here. This is close, I, open, low. Open and low are nearby to each other, close and I are near to each other with green candle. Look at the volumes. The volume drop when price approach the second low, that is previous low in the trend, and next day buyers came in. Look at the volumes. It is above the two previous volumes where sellers have pushed the price lower. In this case, what is happening? Even this low has taken out, but next immediate day, if this sellers were so stronger, the breakout low, this is the price where price has made a breakout. If the sellers were stronger, they should have broken this low and the price broken this low and the price should have moved further down, but it has not taken place. Immediate reversal with volumes, and look at the recovery. V shape recovery, and look at the volumes. In this case, this is a different scenario. Volumes were not increasing but stable volume formation. Each single volumes are in a stable mode and price was increasing. Volumes were also not increasing but stable. This tells us somehow buyers are clearly dominating, but volume has not decreased. Unless until volume not decreasing, when price is moving towards upside, the buyers are stronger. If price is moving upside and volume is not decreasing, in this case it was stable volume, still they are super stronger only. Whereas they have made this low to breaken out, and from next day they have shown the strength again. That is, when price attempted the buyer's zone, buyers came in and pushed the price in a V shape recovery. Look at this, is V shape. Clear?